Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So as promised, today we're going to be taking a look at some in-demand hairstyle ideas, colors that you can wear this summer season. So here we have a variety of colors that you can try out. Silver or gray is definitely making a comeback. I kind of talked about this in a few videos already. Then we have pastels, lots of purples and pinks. And then we have this gorgeous lived-in blonde. Next up, we have someone who is going to be DIYing their own hair color. Looks like she went with like a chocolate copper tone. And then we have the Jessica Alba blonde. This is also pretty much playing into that lived-in blonde hair color. It's just a little bit darker than traditional blonde. And then, like I said before, we have pink hair. So this is playing into that pastel hair color trend. So here we have another just range of color ideas that you can try out. Gorgeous color transformation. It looks like she got the money piece highlight trend going there. Followed by this beautiful cowboy copper color. She's got the layers. I just adore this hair color. Now, if you want to do something to spice things up temporarily, you can try some of these temporary hair color styles. I think that this is super cute, especially for like festival season. I think that that would be a really fun way to add some color to your strands. And then here we have somebody else who decided to go blonde. So let me know in the comments below, which hair colors will you be trying this summer season? I will also be putting together a hair color video for the fall if you're looking to shake things up this fall season as well. Gorgeous blonde color that she got here, and I really like the layers that the stylist did as well. Hair is just so full of volume. And then we have something called Sun-Kissed Hair, blonde caramel highlights mixed in here with the darker color. And then we have someone who decided to go ginger. So this is also playing into that copper family color trend. which has really been popular for the past couple of years. I think that this hue looks amazing against her complexion. I adore the way that this came out. The curls, everything, just perfection. Next up, we got someone going platinum blonde. So she's getting some hair extensions for the next one. Looks like she decided to mix in some color. So I have been talking about this for the past couple of videos as well. Neapolitan hair color, okay? Now this one has like a slight little nod to the trend, a little bit of pink, little bit of darker colors with the blonde, but it is playing into that Neapolitan trend. I feel like this would be a really fun look for the summer season, just really girly. So here we have someone else with the cowboy copper hair color. And if you guys do want to see more of that cowboy copper hair color trend, I do have a whole video showcasing the look. It is very popular right now. Next up, we have someone who decided to infuse color to their hair through the use of braids. Followed by this gorgeous red color combination. Ooh, so she went with kind of like a deep wine shade. So that was very popular last fall. And then here we have someone going blue. This is another like unexpected hair color trend for 2025. Definitely didn't have that on my bingo card. I never would have guessed that blue hair would have been the thing. Ooh, so she went like really orangey. Like this is a play on the cowboy copper color trend as well. It's just a little bit brighter than we usually see. Really pretty. So let me know in the comments below which hair color from today's video was your favorite. Like I said, I will be putting together some more looks that you can try out this fall season. If you enjoyed this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.